I am being honored with an award, the Women's Icon Award, and it is on the 16th of this month, and it is the iconic womanhood that have put all of this together: love, wealth, and womanhood. It's going to be at the Hyatt Regency London from 10:30 to 3:30. So I am going to be there. FUMINATION, come and celebrate with me. Are we having a meet and greet? We're having a meet and greet. Yes, we're having a meet and greet again in London, and we're having a meet and greet in New York. Yes, I will get all of the dates for you, but I had to say it. I couldn't hold it back. Hello, my beautiful FUMINATION. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. Last week, I wore a little blue dress. It was a one-shoulder dress, and I had worn that when I first met Ula. And you guys loved it. You said, Fumi, the girls are sitting up. What are you wearing underneath? What is your shapewear bra? I want to know what it is, because I have a one-shoulder dress. And it occurred to me that I haven't done a bra hack in a while. And I thought you're going to live and love this, because I have lost weight, as you guys know. And my bust, because what is breast tissue? Fat. A lot of our bust is fat. So when you lose weight, lose fat, you also lose fat in your breast. And so my boobs have gone from an F, yes, I was an F, to a C. The good news is that Ula is a leg man. So I said, well, not bad. And to be honest, I've been every cup size, because when you grow up, you're an A, you know, in your teen weens. And I really was a B. And I think by the time I'm done, I'm going to go back to my original size. I think it's all a learning platform, because being bigger, having a bigger bust, really gave me the empathy, understanding, compassion for my limousine sisters, because I considered myself a limousine sister until I was not. And that really makes me feel so good, because I know how I will forever push my brand in a very, very different way from others. My limousine sisters are all inclusive in everything I do. If you can get it in an A cup, you can get it in a B cup, you can get it in a K cup. If I am making it in an A cup, for sure I am making it in a K cup. I have done a one-shouldered bra hack before, I think. Have I? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think I've done a one-shoulder that was strapless, but I haven't done a one shoulder per se. So I'm going to wear it on this dress because it's light, and I've got a dark colored bra so that you can see what I do. And that is your one shouldered bra. Okay, so get your bra, get any bra that you live and love. Okay, the bra is going to go on this way, yes, and we're going to loosen the strap, of which you're not going to have anything. We call this the cold shoulder. This dress, you can wear it like so, and then look, put your arm through it and wear it this way. And you can also pull it up, see? So I can have a cold shoulder on either one. So you have your bra. Now this is the cold shoulder, yeah? So you're going to what? You're going to loosen this strap, pull it down. Okay, you are going to put this strap on, yeah, and then you're going to pull this one through your head and through your what? Your shoulder. See? And then put your arm through it. This is just the easiest way I feel that you can do it and get it right. And that way you have the two, yeah? You push this down and you button it in the back. Let me just make sure I have it in the back. There we go. See? All right. Let me turn around. So you've got this strap. Let me just make sure. There you go. So you've got it like so. Now, you want support still. Yeah? So you get this little clip. And this, you can do it in so many different ways. You can have it in the center, you can have it in the back if you're wearing a racer back and you don't want your straps to show. So what you do, because you have all of this extra space, you bring it all the way down and you do what? You click it right here so that you still have the support, but you have the one shoulder. And when you turn it around, you also do the same in the back with the clip. So let me do that for you now. You take this. This is fabulous for when you're going out for evenings and stuff. You just clip it in here. Voila. And you clip it there. Make sure that you go as low as you can, and then you pull it so that it goes low. That, my darlings, is your one shoulder. And you can always stretch and pull this to the side so that you get that seam. And this is what the bra will look underneath. You must be saying about the back as well. Let me turn it around, and you do the same here as well. And you take that extra clip and you do it here. Let me get Ula to do it. And look at the back as well. You put that clip and you put that to the side as well. Hang in there, my darlings, until I bring out everything for you. But in so doing, it is intacto, so you have a complete idea of what the bra looks without the dress. Do you want to see it without the dress? I can show you, I don't mind. All right, but it is firm, and you know what the trick is? This breast gets all the love and the support. There you have it, my darlings. Do we live? Do we love? Do we live? Do we love? Look at my boobs have shrunk. So this is the front. This is what it looks like. This is what you should have. And like I said, you can adjust this. And then let me turn around so you can see it in the back as well. There we go. And that's it, my darlings. Yeah? Do we live? Do we love? And then you just put your dress on and you have one shouldered fabulosity. And I am living for it. And you have one shouldered what? Fabulosity. Do we live? Do we love? And do you want to see the back? Let's see the back. Yes, my darlings. Do not forget to like, to subscribe. Hit the notification button, my darlings. And I will see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. Enjoy your one shoulders. Mwah.
Myself, it could have been a dream. This is my current mood, I always will remember. You're nothing but yourself, and that's why I believe that this could last for good, 'cause we're so great too.